magpakita ka na. It's time for a rematch. At para dun sa mga gustong mag-challenge kay Dragon King, come at me, bros.
Three, two, one, go! Go! 3, 2, 1, go! Go! 3, 2, 1,
challengers
go!
formula.
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during a casual tournament at Rumble Royale. This time, a Blader from the north challenges the Dragon King. The Dragon King knows little to nothing about Bladers from this region, so he's in it for another surprise. This Blader is also new to the blading scene, but that doesn't mean he lacks what it takes to take down the Dragon King. With sheer passion and determination, here comes Landslide. Will Landslide hand the Dragon King a third straight defeat, or will the Dragon King reclaim his title? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I used for this challenge. Grand Buster with a 560 ratchet and the point bit. Cobalt Dragoon with a 160 ratchet and the rush bit. Lightning El Drago upper with a 360 ratchet and the low flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
First bid tayo. Okay na?
Hipan mo!
Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Ulit. Ano yun? Go! 2, 1, go! Ulit. Ano yun? Nasarbo ka niya eh. Isa pa. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
So, good sharp edge. Good guys, yung mga lumaban kay Dragon King. Yung guys, yung mga lumaban kay Dragon King. Good guys, yung mga lumaban kay Dragon King. I-message ko siya sa kanyang page or sa Facebook account, no? Yan. Kung hindi, malilimutan niya yung blader ninyo, bahala na kayo doon. Mamaya, pag-ingat mo kayong turon. Ayan, based na lang sa identification yung blader name.
Bladers ready! 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Ayun, ganda naman.
Go!
Ayun, ganda naman no. Ano yan? Ang tama naman yan. Uy! Ha? Grabe naman yun. Thank you, build. Again, congratulations kay Tengu ng New Era Bladers. Winning the second BK Challenge Fortuna. Uy, kanina pa masipag yan ah.
Winner, first set.
Winner, first set. Wala, nangihina na. Makakahabol ba? Si Boss BK. Kailangan mong manalo ngayon, Boss BK.
Bossing!
Ha?
Pangatlo na to.
Pangatlo na to.
Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Ganda ng lapat. Tumutusok. Pak! Grabe, nagulat naman ako doon, pero walang tumama. Namatay na lang sa speed base.
1 point.
1 all for this second set. Furlan.
Ready?
Grabe naman build yan.
3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Stand lang, walang gagalaw. Pusok sa sahig. Ang labas. Extreme. Hindi inabot. Extreme Marvin. Ayan na. Maging karaoke. Master Rolly, uwi ka na. Ingat na, ingat. Yung. Next week, Master. Balitaan ko kayo sa proyekto ng hack event. Kanino ang Embo? Taguig o Makati?
Okay, ready? 2-0.
Special thanks to Kira.
3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Go! Shoot!
Salamat sa malupit mong kumain. Nagkag... Salamat sa malupit mong kumain. Salamat sa malupit mong kumain. Nagkagulo lahat.
2-2.
May lahat niya eh. Ano? Kanino Embo. Embo. Kasi marami yan eh. Bembo, Bembo, Bembo.
3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Oh. Standing, Buzzy Burst. 2-2. Teka, baka iba na naman nangyayari. Ayan ang sinasabi. 3-2 in favor of her life. And Project Overhaul. The Dragon King Challenge is now up. It's still accepting challengers for tonight. Pinipitik-pitik ng Wizard Rod. Kilala ko tong Drug Master na to, Orange. Ngayon na, nahilo na. Winner by spin finish. The third DJ Challenge winner. Congratulations, Roland and Project Overhaul.
And that's game. The final standing is Dragon King 0, Landslide 2. The Dragon King was defeated with ease. Landslide wins by, you guessed it, a landslide. He's your winner and the new Dragon King Challenge champion. Grats. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Landslide, and I'll see you guys in the next video.